Hi, it's Jen from Shabby Fabrics with some very exciting news. I have been waiting for more than a decade to tell you. After so many requests, quilt retreats are now a reality at Shabby Fabrics. I'm so happy for this. Starting in fall of 2024, we'll be offering 2 retreats, one in September and another in November. Where? At the place that I went to my very first retreat now more than 2 decades ago, where I made so many lifelong friends. Camp Lutherhaven is located in the mountains of North Idaho overlooking Lake Coeur d'Alene with some hiking trails, authentic mountain cabins, bunk beds, and so much more. Of course, it was fitting. I had to take you to that very place where I had my first quilt retreat so we could experience that together. So there's so much to learn about. On the Shabby Fabrics website, you're going to notice there's a new thing listed called events. Yes, there's a lot of events going to be coming up, but head over to that events tab. Why that's important is you'll be able to watch a video to see what you can expect at Camp Lutherhaven. Learn more about what you'll experience across the 5 nights and 6 days of this amazing quilt retreat experience. There's going to be a lot of surprises too. We're already dreaming up stuff for you all along each day of this retreat. But while you're waiting to sign up, because we're holding that off for a couple days, and I'll announce the date in just a moment, we want to make sure that you have enough time to make sure, are these dates going to work for me? Am I going to drive in or do I need to fly in? Where's the closest international airport? Spokane International, by the way. You'll be able to click on links to learn what are the airlines that fly in, what about rental cars, and all of these other things that I know you want to know. Are you going to go alone? Do you come with a friend? Here's what I know. Get everything figured out, because on the day of sign up, we believe both retreats could potentially be sold out. Make sure your friends are also ready to go. Our registration will open precisely at 10 a.m. on Thursday, June 13th. Once you click on your preferred date, that will begin a 15-minute countdown. Your spot will be reserved for those 15 minutes. Make sure you complete your registration process in that time to lock in your spot. As with any event, sometimes there's more interest than we have spots available. If you go to the website and find that has sold out, get on that waiting list. More things are coming in 2025, and when you get on the wait list, you'll be the first to know about future events. I'm so excited to head up to the mountains, to the original place where I fell deeply in love with quilting, and I get to spend time with you. So again, mark your calendars, let your friends know, get signed up, and I'll see you in September and again in November.